Now I've moved up to the side yard where out in there somewhere is a bed. Boy, these guys can sure make a ground cover when they want to, huh? Alright, finally got all the vines out. I'll put in the video what the varieties here are because I don't see my tags. So, I don't know. That's Bayou Belle up there. These look a lot like the Murasaki, the Japanese. Purple skin, white flesh, unbelievably delicious. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that boy. And that one. Oh, look at the size of that. I have never grown. Yeah, I've never grown a Murasaki that big. Is that beautiful? Look at that. Absolutely mind-boggling. Oh, that's a couple of meals. Holy mackerel. Look at these. Look at that. Oh, it just keeps coming. Look at these. Oh my goodness. These at the store are over $2 a pound. Look at these. They're so big I don't know how to get them out. Oh. Look. Japanese Murasaki. Purple skin, white flesh, unbelievably delicious. Oh, look at that one. And that one. It keeps coming. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this sweet potato. Another one. I still can't get this one out. go. Got more up there in the corner. Bayou Belle. There's the harvest of these. Ooh, there goes a frog. Look at these things. Holy mackerel. Lord has blessed me today. Thank you. Thank you. Well, we may stop here just because it's going to take up a lot of space just to cure all these. May let some of the other ones keep on growing. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. We've done 4 beds so far, and I know I've got close to 50 pounds of sweet potatoes. What an incredible harvest. We're Lawrenceville, Georgia, northeast of Atlanta, zone 7. These are 117 days in the ground. I'll put in the video what the varieties are. I'll have to look back to my video when I planted. Thank you so much for watching. And there's the first 3 bins of potatoes. We'll set these aside and head down to another section and see what all's in there.